In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change background in Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then just swipe to the right and then start creating your story. First off, I recommend you to tap right here at these two characters to create that colored background. From here we can tap at that circle to change background color in that way. And then if you would like to add some photo here, tap add stickers and then search for a sticker that looks like that. Tap on it. That will open up your camera roll, and from here we can select any picture. Then we can place it somewhere within the screen. We can scale it, we can rotate it. And then also, after you have added a picture, you are able to change the background color in that way. And also we can tap right here, select draw, then select a color, and then just hold down our finger at the background to apply this color to our background. That's how you can easily change background in Instagram story.